In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Dimension tool. Now, the Dimension tool, a little similar to in SolidWorks, and instead of being smart dimensions, they're just called dim lines. So if we have a look over here on the left side of the toolbar, we should find the right-hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one down. It says dim lines. Okay. Now, what I can do here is I can draw a line in. So what I'm going to do is say, well, actually, how far is that from there to the bottom? So if I click right in the center of there, and then come right down to that bottom line there. Okay, and then if I click away, that's 8.02 millimeters away. Okay, so if that's useful, if I think, well, actually, I can now make the other part 8 mils, so that's the thing. Then I've got that as a guidance. Okay, the way we can use this is to kind of change the size of things. So for example, this box I drew before just by eye, just thought, well, that'll be big enough. But if I want to resize it, what I can do is get the dimension, the dim lines up again. Okay, if I go from left to right, okay, so I'm trying to be as accurate as I can. So you should see when it's kind of over the lines, you'll see that the lines, they kind of vanish. So the bits, there you go, see. Okay, so I can say that this box is 32.98 millimeters by, let's see how far it is the other way. So again, I'm just taking my time. Okay, so I've gone horizontally, and now I'm just going up vertically at one side. Okay, and I can come up there. Okay, and that's 30 by 0.95. Now, if I want to resize it and think, well, actually, I would like it to really be 40 by 40. Okay, what I can do is I can grab the black arrow, okay, select all of the objects, so that's both the object I want to resize and the two dimensions. Okay, so I grab those. Alright, if I hold the shift button down, okay, I can then grab a corner and I can resize that. Okay, and I can resize that to my heart's content. So it's so say I wanted it 40 by 40. I'm not holding the shift button down this time. Okay, I'm just going to pull that up the way until I get it to be about 40. Okay, let's see if we can go a little bit more accurate than that, but probably not much more. There you go. See, that's about as kind of close as you can get it. You can get it to like a tenth of a millimeter, which I think for what we're doing will be absolutely fine. Okay, so it's 98.988 by 90.85. Okay, so that's how to use the dimension tools on how to resize things and just how to where things are.